Are you eager to lace up your running shoes in your quest to shed those extra pounds? Prepare to explore 6 solutions designed to help you make the most out of your running routine to weight loss. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way by visiting BurnSup.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's get it on. Number 1. Start with a plan. Before you begin, create a structured running plan. Set achievable goals by gradually increasing your mileage or running duration each week. Having a plan keeps you motivated and provides a clear path to progress. It helps prevent overexertion and minimizes the risk of injury. Number 2. Combine with a balanced diet. Pair your running routine with a balanced diet that includes whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Monitor your calorie intake to ensure it aligns with your weight loss goals. Running alone isn't enough to lose weight effectively. A balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients while controlling calorie consumption. Number 3. Interval training. Incorporate interval training into your running routine. Alternate between short bursts of high-intensity running and slower recovery periods. Interval training elevates your heart rate and burns more calories during and after your run. It can also help increase your fitness levels, enabling you to run longer and faster. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up? What is your favorite tip so far? Comment below and let's continue with the rest. Number 4. Consistency is key. Stick to a consistent running schedule. Aim for at least 3 to 5 days of running per week to create a routine that promotes weight loss. Consistency helps maintain an elevated metabolism, making it easier to shed pounds over time. It also reinforces a healthy habit that supports your long-term goals. Number 5. Cross-training. Add other forms of exercise such as strength training, yoga, or cycling into your routine. This prevents overuse injuries and builds overall fitness. Cross-training strengthens different muscle groups, reduces the risk of injury, and adds variety to your fitness routine, which can keep you engaged and motivated. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you are fatigued or experiencing pain, take rest days to recover. Pushing too hard can lead to injuries that derail your progress. Rest is crucial for recovery and injury prevention. Overtraining can lead to burnout and setbacks in your weight loss journey. Remember, running can be an effective tool for weight loss, but it is essential to combine it with a balanced diet and smart training strategies. The key to success is finding a routine that works for you, supports your goals, and promotes long-term health and fitness. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. Check the other videos on our end screen right now because they will surely help you in your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.